Can we get the guy? It's right near it. Oh, yes! Yeah, you're on. Grab it. Yeah, reel. Feel like you're done?
No,
Hang on, give me a look.
that's not the one thing.
I'll show you how this connects. Come over here. So it's your normal rig, but then you've got another piece of line that's going to connect to the drone, right? So there's the little place that it goes in. Just chuck it there, and it's actually got its own button on here. Whoops, I missed it. It locks in like that. That's ready to go. There it is, 32, so it's that one there. So that's the spot we've got saved. All right, let's get it out, eh? Here we go. Line's looking good. Get her in the air, make sure we're recording. All right, deliver immediately. Bang, dropped. Return to home. There he is, he's in. He's ready to rock and roll. So, first time we brought young Ollie here. How you going, mate? Ready for a big catch? Getting a bit of wind here, probably about 15 knots. Not bad at all. Let's go down. You beauty. Here we go. There it goes. Oh!
What does that mean it's gone?
It means it hasn't taken the bait. There it goes. Oh, come on. What are you doing? First drop's in. Do we bring it in or do we leave it for a little bit? Last time I was here, I was like, nah, the bait's gone. And for some reason, I decided to leave it. 10 minutes later, bang. All right, now I reckon that's taken. That's gonna have to be taken, surely. Nah, I'm bringing that in. All right, we'll go again. So this is what, right now is when I love it the most. Look at the sky. It's amazing, man. And it's a lot calmer than I thought it would be, actually. All right, so we should give it hopefully only a few minutes. It's a big chunk of bait on too. We definitely got a nibble a second ago. No, I thought that was going to go off, but it hasn't yet. The best ones are the ones where you're just busy doing other stuff and then all of a sudden it just goes smash. It's absolutely in the zone. Typical, come here by myself, it absolutely goes off. And then you bring people. So what you want to do is just reel up, pull up like that, and then on the way down, reel. That's it, work those muscles. Because next time, there'll be a big snapper on the end of that. Got my wrap, so I'm just going to actually use a bit of seaweed. Put that in play. So, trip 2 so far. It's just getting destroyed on the drop, I reckon. Suits you well, mate. So what's that? We've done 3 drops, so this will be 4. So the time goes so fast, it's already after 6. Where did that time go? What did we do that whole time? Time just disappears. I find it never goes faster than when you're out here, eh? Because you could spend, you're so relaxed, you could spend hours. Yeah.
Yeah, make sure.
Oh, they Oh! Yeah. Nah. Well done, mate. The bait's still on, I think. All right, now, come on, big boy. Yeah, yeah, yeah! Come on, muscles! Yeah! Should have some rock music in the background. Bow, 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 bow. This is how Aussie Dow does it on safari. G'day, legends. This is Aussie Dow. Biggest fish ever.
It might not even be, I think.
Might not even be a fish. Could just be a scuba diver holding your line, going ha ha. There's definitely a fish there. He's only small because you can't pull him up the surface like that otherwise. Keep going. Go as fast as you can now. He's not far away. Oh, it's a snapper! It's a baby!
That's fine with me.
Yes! Ew! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Yeah, baby! Look at this! He's done it! Look at that! Look, it's hooked beautifully and everything. Right, now let's get you some photos and we're going to send this out straight away one more time.
Can you keep that? No.
No, it's too small.
What? It's huge.
You know, we'll size it.
That's fine by me. I'm happy.
Oh, so that's your new PB, eh? Is that the new biggest? Yes, there's his first ever pinky. It's from the front of the head to the back of the tail. He's a 45. Oh, anytime, just let him go. Yeah! Well, we've broken the drought today. I think Friday's going to be the day though. Yeah, it might just be seaweed. It's definitely a good bite though, wasn't it? He just didn't get the hooks on him. I will keep going until we get one, that's I'll guarantee you that. Nah, he's come off. Oh, what is happening there?
I know. Having a good old feed anyway. Here for 1 pound fish.
1 pound fish.
Is that video?
Yeah, 1 pound. We say it all the time. Scarlett loves it. Very, very good. 1 pound fish. This is our third attempt to get the young fella an absolute belter.
A keeper.
What did we get the other day? 45? Right, now we're up for the big boys. We've had enough of the small ones. 1 pound fish, 1 pound fish. Oh, police. Since I caught those 5 here, in the space of a week or two, haven't seen any big ones here, so whether they've moved on, just gonna have to be patient. I just got my head out of the way then. You guys did well bringing that in. Hungry Jacks! Hungry Jacks! Do you guys ever watch the Wildcats?
Yeah.
Basketball?
Yeah.
Because whenever if the opposition misses 2 free throws in a row, you get free cheeseburgers.
What?
Yeah. So then they put up a code word on the TV and you just have to go to HJ's and they'll give you one.
Is that right?
Yeah. So the kids are always like, Hungry Jacks! Hungry Jacks! And then the guy gets it in, they're all like, boo! They just got hit then. You're just mega unlucky. Oh, there it is, the bite. Come on, please. Yes. This time.
Nope.
Oh, that was the chance. Is there another chance? The success I was having a few weeks ago was tremendous here. Oh yeah, it looked like a seal maybe. Oh, dolphins! Can we get the hook up? We've got one more after this. Oh well, I'll have to put this spot in the vault for a little while by the looks of it. I've done it to death since I got those 5. I've done, this is probably, because you guys have come out 3 times, I've probably done another 3, so there's 6. All right, so we've got 2 baits out, full moon. Apologies for the audio, my lavalier microphone decided to die. So I'm just having to run off the GoPro mic, which isn't great. And we're mega windy, so I reckon I'm gonna have to, we lost one of the rod holders in the water. Wave came in, took the rod holder with it. So I'm actually having to hold a rod. And there's one in the rod holder, so if one or both of these goes off, I'm stuffed. There's worse ways to spend a Sunday, mate. Look at that. What a view. Seriously. Trying to film in 4K now just to get a bit higher quality, so I wonder if that will translate to the videos online. Guess we'll see. Need a lavalier big time. Get it in. Get it in, young lad. Just a little brim. Yee-hoo! Alright. You pearler. Too small to keep. Oh, do you want to do your, yeah, you do yours first. Are you going to be alright to take him off and everything?
Oh yeah.
Alright, sweet, I'll leave you to it. Another little brimsy. What we want is some whiting or something, so I'll get you some more bait. Oh, we're keeping him. Herring, that's a great hezzer, man, well done. 2 brim and a hezzer, that means the hezzers are coming through.
So?
That means that burley's really helped. Oh, double header! You legend. I think that's not too bad.
That little third one. So do people eat them?
That is the cat's #1 food.
Is that right?
They're actually a really good bait as well.
You're welcome, Josie.
Oh, what a legend. Oh, what a catch. Keep going, young fella, you're on fire. Fatty. All right, you can chuck him back in.
I don't want to find out.
You're getting slammed over there. Oh, look at your legs.
It looks like I've wet my pants.
Yeah, stop peeing your pants, man, all right?
Oh, I reckon he's on. I reckon you're on, buddy.
Oh, he's got a whiting. He's doubled up again. The Master Blaster, he's caught brim, herring, whiting, snapper we pulled in. What has he got here? Could this be the one? Is this the one we've been aiming for all this time?
Doesn't matter if it is, my sister kids know it.
In original SeaWorld, just make sure, just focus on keeping the line tight and just getting it in as quick as you can, mate. Yes! We've done it! We've done it, young lad!
Yeah!
You've done it! High five! Yes!
Finally! Do you think that one's a keeper?
Nah, we'll chuck it back. Episode 60, Ollie's first snapper! Look at it, it's a donkey, man! That was off that headpiece. Wow. All right, let's unhook him. Look, he's only just hooked in. So that's where my hook failed when I was in mile up. Right. It's only just... I was crapping myself bringing it in because I thought he was going to come off. Look at his teeth. Yes! Oh my God! That's bigger than Carter's, man. You've beaten Carter. Yeah, look at the camera.
Oh my God, look at me.
Hungry Jacks! Hungry Jacks! Yes! That's all right, leave him on the ground now. So you measure him, we should probably spike him to be honest. But that is just beaten Carter. That is a 68. 67. You've beaten Carter by 2 centimetres. My old pants over here, he's got another big whiting.
This is the best day of fishing I think I've had in a lot.
So how was that, mate? What do you reckon? Great day's fishing?
Yeah, really good, thank you.
No worries.